today I have another unboxing and it's for another Season's Greetings. So I ordered woodz' Season's Greetings probably back in December and it finally arrived. I actually didn't get a shipping notification or tracking info for this, it just showed up on the weekend, so I'm glad it made it to me safe. I ordered it from Everline, and Everline was doing a video call event when they had this up for pre-order, so it did come with a video call photo card. So I'll show you that first and then we'll open it up. So that's the card. Him in glasses, really cute. And then, so this is the outer box. You can see my reflection a bit. And then it has his name on the side. And then the back. So I guess we will open it up. It looks like it's sealed with a sticker, which is kind of annoying. I don't know the best way to open this without damaging it. I could just cut through it. Yeah, it doesn't look like that's gonna peel, so I think I'm just gonna cut it. Kind of annoying, but I could have opened it from the other end too, I guess, but not too worried about the sticker. I probably won't even keep it in the plastic anyway. This does not want to cut nicely, so okay, it looks like the plastic is just ripping, so we'll just open it this way. This is the box. Oh, it got a little dented. That's too bad. It's been so long since I ordered this that I kind of forget everything that it said it came with. I do remember it said something like 24 photo cards though, so I'm very excited to see all of those. And I remember I was kind of on the fence about ordering this, and then when I saw the concept video and all of the looks he had in the video, that was kind of the deciding factor. So let's see what's inside. So on the front, yeah, it lists some colors, sports. Very interesting. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, cute. So right off the bat, it looks like there's a poster. It's very thick paper too, that's nice. So the poster, I'm gonna zoom out actually. He has a smiley face basketball, and then at the bottom it has a calendar with the first 6 months of the year. I'm guessing there will be a poster for the second half of the year as well. So there's that. Really cute. And then this would be the second poster. Him with the motorcycle. Wow. And then yeah, the other 6 months of the year. It's interesting how he did that, but not a bad idea. I don't even think I can fully show this, but there it is. Okay, where do I begin? I see this, so it's a little embroidered patch that says woodz, and it has like a pin clasp on the back, so you can attach it easily. Don't have to iron it on. That's nice. That's really cute. This looks like a set of photos maybe, and some stickers. Okay, so let's take a look. He looks so great. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, they're like postcards on the back. I love his hair like this. Skateboard concept. Oh, missed one. Oh, I love this picture. I love that. This look. The blue tinted sunglasses. Oh, he's on roller skates, I just noticed. That's cute. This. Another one with the basketball. I feel like I had a smiley face basketball like that when I was a kid, like from Walmart. Motorcycle. There's so many here. I love the variety of different looks that we get. Okay, and then at the end, I think these were the sticker sheets probably. So there's a bunch of stickers here for different things. I love the sunglasses drawing. Oh, cute. And then little stickers of him. These are really cute. I guess you can use them in the, I assume it comes with a planner or diary of some sort, so you could probably use them in that. What's this? So just a plain envelope. And then in here it says woodz ready to. Oh, it's a standee. Okay. How do I feel like it's stuck. I don't know how to fully open it. And I don't want to break it, but there he is. And then it says 2022 on the end. I think this is supposed to fold or bend, but I feel like I'm gonna bend it wrong right now, so I might just leave it for now. But there he is. Next we have what I assume is the photo card set. Oh yeah, so it says there are 6 AR photo cards and 16, let's say 18 regular photo cards. So I think the AR ones you can scan on your phone. I know for one of his recent albums, if you scan them on your phone, it played a video on YouTube. Oh my gosh, look at this stack of cards here. How exciting. So I'll have to figure out how these AR cards work. But let's go through the pile of these here. I'll try and go through somewhat quickly since there's a lot. Should I lay them out, maybe? I'll move this out of the way so we can see them as we go. I assume the backs will be all similar, so I won't flip them all over. So one, we have this one with the glove. Very cute. Oh, I love the beanie look. I think that's one of my favorites, like the beanie look when he has the skateboard. I don't know, I think it's my fave. Cute peace sign. So are we getting like 3 of each concept maybe? Oh my gosh, this card is so cute. I love a good pouty face photo card. This one might be my favorite so far. Oh, smile too. Yeah, I really like his hair this length. Like the long hair was good and I like him with short hair, but this like mid-length, almost mullet style, it's really nice. Cute, awkward smile. So excited to put these all away in my binder. I'm gonna need a lot of new pages. So I guess this was the motorcycle look. Cute. The gloves. The blue turtleneck matches the packaging quite well as well. I think these are the AR ones since they're more concept looking, perhaps? I don't know. No, because I think it said there's only 6 AR cards, so these might still just be the regular ones, just not selfies. Okay, I think these would be the AR cards. I love the sunglasses. Yeah, are the backs of these different? Yeah, these ones are black. Love this look. Basketball. Ooh, this one's nice. I like the backlighting. And then this one last. These are so great, such great cards. There's a bit of an overview. There's some glare on some of them, but wow, what a nice photo card set. So let's see what's next in the box. This feels like, I think it's a photo book. If it is, oh, I think this is like the diary journal. Should I move the cards out of the way to flip through it, or maybe I'll just flip through it like this. So at the front, you can put your info in. Nice calendar. Overview of the whole year. I like that couch. Okay, so it's a bit of a photo book as well. This might be my other favorite look. This one and the skateboard look with the beanie. I don't know, they're all so great though. That one's cute. And then we have January, and then weekly schedule or calendar, it looks like. Next concept. I love these pictures. Okay, then we're in March. It's nice how they have photos kind of throughout the entire thing. I mentioned this in my Stray Kids Seasons Greetings unboxing, but I don't ever really use paper calendars or diaries or planners, so I probably won't really use this. Which is kind of too bad, but at least it's a nice photo book as well. I feel like whenever I start to use a planner, I'll use it for like a week and then I never look at it again, so they don't really stay all that useful for me. I'd rather just set things as like reminders in my phone and use my iCal. So that's alright though, gotta do what works for you. Woodz Day. I love this outfit with the roller skates. It's so great. Close up on the skates. I wonder how good he is at skating. Next concept. It's a really nicely laid out planner though. I think this is the last section. Look at these shoes. These pictures are so nice. This styling suits him really well. And then the last few pictures here at the end. And that's it. So it's really nice. I like the cover design a lot too. It looks like a magazine almost. Okay, and the next thing and the last thing in the box is the calendar. So it's a desk calendar, so it'll fold out and stand up. So let's take a look at what we have in here. Overview of the year. I'll flip through one way and then I'll go back and flip through the other way. So it's already past January, so we won't be using this one. We're halfway through February now. I'll have to find room on my desk for this somewhere, because I already have my Stray Kids desk calendar on my desk, but I'll definitely display both. Maybe I'll put this one on my shelf somewhere. I'll find a spot for it. The months are really subtle on these. That's cute. This is for December. And then there's one for January next year. And then that's the end. So there's pictures on the back, of course, so I'll go through and show those as well. Oh, I like that they also have the month and dates at the bottom. So if you do have it on this side, it's still for the month. It doesn't show just a photo. So there's December. November, October, my birthday month, September, August. This one's cute. July. That's adorable. June. I love this look on him. May. April. March. February. And last we have January. So that's everything in the calendar. And that's it for everything in the season's greetings as well. So here's a bit of a look of everything that came inside. I'm really glad I ended up buying the season's greetings because I was on the fence for a couple of weeks, it feels like. I couldn't quite decide if I should go for it or not, but I'm really glad I did. There's a lot of really great stuff in here. And yeah, I'm happy to have it. I'm excited to put all of these photo cards away in my binders. I'm gonna have to set up quite a few new pages for them. So that'll be really exciting, and I'll probably do that in an upcoming video, putting away some more photo cards and reorganizing stuff. So that's everything for today's video though. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll be back for my next video. Bye.